Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay December 28, 2025 Sunday at ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayong December 28, 2025 Sunday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 2 p.m. 3D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayong Sunday, December 28, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 2 p.m. See you again later for 5 p.m. draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for December 28, 2025 Sunday. Here are the today's jackpot estimates of Super Lotto 649 and Ultra Lotto 658 for Sunday, December 28, 2025. Thank you for watching this 2 p.m. video for afternoon of December 28, 2025, Sunday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.